Information about Artemisia absinthum. Artemisia absinthium, commonly known as wormwood, is a perennial herbaceous plant in the Asteraceae family. It is native to temperate regions of Europe, Asia, and northern Africa. The plant has a distinctive aroma and a bitter taste, and it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, such as digestive disorders, fever, and malaria. It is also well known for its use in the production of absinthe, a highly alcoholic spirit that was popular in Europe in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Artemisia absinthium grows to a height of around 1 to 1.5 meters and has green-gray leaves that are deeply divided. The plant produces small yellow-green flowers that bloom from July to September. It prefers well-drained soil and a sunny position. The plant contains several active compounds, including thujone, which is a neurotoxin and can cause hallucinations and seizures if consumed in large quantities. Due to this, the use of absinthe was banned in many countries in the early 1900s. However, absinthe is now legal in many countries, including the United States, provided that it meets specific regulatory requirements. Today, Artemisia absinthium is still used in traditional medicine, and its extracts are found in a variety of products, including teas, tinctures, and supplements. However, it is important to note that the safety and effectiveness of these products have not been thoroughly studied, and they should be used with caution.